For drivers, the flashing of red lights and the lowering of gates at a railroad crossing is frustrating, but for a rail fan, it's the best news one can see and hear. Hello again, rail fans, and welcome back to the CSX Brooksville Subdivision. It's Thursday, January 20th, 2022, and just after 8:30 p.m., 072820 is crossing US 41 in Lutz, Florida on his way north to Brooksville. We're set up this evening at the well-lit McDonald's parking lot off of Crystal Grove Boulevard to catch yet another weeknight local. Today I've gotten news of two 6-axle locomotives leading the train north, meaning he would be quite the train tonight. Although not rare, 6-axle GE power on the Brooksville Sub is uncommon. For a weeknight local, you'll usually see an EMD Jeep or SD40 lead 10 to 15 cars north. But how did we know this guy was coming tonight at this time? Well, about an hour and a half before this, 0728 called to dispatcher for an EC1, railroad terminology for track permission. But we'll get to that later. With engineer Valdez at the throttle, 072820 notches up to haul his heavy train through town. A solid train of 30 loaded hopper cars are headed northbound to CEMEX's North Hammock Yard in Brooksville, where the cars are staged and then unloaded on the Camp Mine Loop track.
EC1 number 92623 on 2022, that's 841.0, 072820, 6343 L Valdez, Circle Line 1A main track, south direction, NASTN main, to the switch Sulphur Springs, Yard Limits main, south Sulphur Springs Yard Limits main, to the north Hammock Yard Limits main, Circle Line 11, okay to handle switch, that's YA 48.6. Alright, good copy, 1901 BSS, over. Alright, signal indication TN, JF out.
With that 0728 out of the way, let's wind back about a month to December 21st, 2021. Here's an efficient dispatcher giving another 0728 permission to drop a coal drag off at the Camp Mine Loop. These 10 loaded coal hoppers are headed up to CEMEX's Brooksville quarry for unloading. About a week later, CEMEX would actually get a train of 98 more of these. Although rare, coal on the Brooksville subdivision can still be seen, and this is a small example of it. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, so I thank you again for watching, but until we meet again trackside, this is Christian from Multicolor Films, end of transmission.